Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. And today we are going to learn how to install Java software. Okay, firstly, we will see how to download Java software. Okay, and then we will see how to install that. Before that, you just go to YouTube. Okay, and check my channel here, Technical Learning for All. Okay, the handle is like @technical learning for all on the YouTube. Okay, and you can see my playlist here. Okay, I have added few videos of the Oracle, how to download the Oracle and how to execute commands on Oracle database, right? So I have created one playlist here. In this playlist I have added few Oracle database videos, so you can go there and you can watch the videos if you want. In future I will add more videos here in this playlist, and today we are going to understand about Java, right? How to download JDK, how to install JDK. Okay, so let's start it. First thing, we have to visit to website oracle.com. If your account is not created, okay, then go to oracle.com, click on view account, click on the create an account. Okay, fill the form. In this form add your email address. Okay, and then create the account. Once you click on the create account, you will get one verification email on your email ID which you mentioned here. Okay, then you have to click on the verify button in the email. Okay, fine. Then you can visit oracle.com. In oracle.com, go to sign in. In the sign in window, add your username and password. Okay, and then login. We are going to download JDK software from oracle.com website, which is the official website of Java. Okay, so here click on resources. In the resources tab, go to Java download. Okay, Java download. In the Java download, if you check at this time, it is giving two version, Java 19 and Java 17. Okay, so today we will download and we will install Java 19. So this is Java SE development kit. Okay, 19.0.1. Here if you check, there are three tabs, one for Linux OS, second for Mac OS, and third for Windows. Okay, so we want to download for the Windows. In the Windows tab, if you check here, one is x64 installer, right? This will give us the .exe file. If you check here in this URL, we have one zip file, we have one exe file, we have one MSI file, right? So I will download the .exe file. So simply we have to click on this URL and keep patience. Okay, it will take some time. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. One thing is that you should have stable internet connection. Okay, but still the size of the exe file is not very big, but it is 158 MB. Okay, but still try to get good internet connection so that you will not face any issue. If you want to learn Java, right, you can just subscribe to my channel, because on this channel I will share playlist of Java programming from scratch, how to download JDK, how to install JDK, and how to create different application in Java, right? I will share all the information here. So please go to YouTube, search for Technical Learning for All and click on subscribe button. Okay, it will take 2 more minutes. One more thing is that if you want to learn programming, right, especially Java, then documentation is the best source. Okay, Java documentation, you can search here Java documentation. Let's go for it. See, so always make yourself habitual, okay, to read documentation. index you can find static variable in class, then so everything is there. Okay, see, this is the documentation for Java SE8. Okay, I think our JDK software is downloaded now. Okay, so today we will install JDK. Okay, and we will write one simple program in Java. Okay, so firstly let me show you the version that in my system Java is not installed. Okay, see, when I'm firing command here, Java hyphen version, it is not displaying anything. So I'm just closing that and just do right click on this file and run as admin. Run as admin, click on yes. Next, it will install JDK in C program file Java and JDK 19 folder. Okay, next, too fast. Great, it's very fast. Okay, I'm just clicking on next step also. It will just open documentation, right? Java 19 documentation. So I'm just doing bookmark here. Okay, now our JDK is installed and I'm just closing it. Now let me just open command prompt again. Here you can type command prompt, click on this. Okay, search for Java hyphen version. See, we got it, right? We got Java version as 19. Okay, so today we understood how to download JDK, okay, and how to install JDK software in our laptop. So guys, I will create second video. Okay, in that second video we will write one Java program from scratch. Okay, thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, take care and bye bye.